Alrighty guys, in the last video you've seen me take a ride in this Mustang GT. Well, now I get to drive it. Super excited to bring you guys along for the ride. This is a 2017 Mustang GT with a Roush supercharger and Corsa exhaust on it. So super stoked. Here we go. Oh man. So a big shout out to Randy who's letting me get behind the wheel of his gorgeous 2017 Mustang GT. That's a lot of trust he's giving me, man. This thing's got a lot of horsepower, as you guys know, but I promise we're gonna keep it very tame and just get a feel for this boosted Mustang life that I hopefully will soon be a part of. Okay, so anything you want to tell me before I get started? Tips? No? Have fun? Okay, here we go. Alrighty guys, so we're taking a ride in the boosted S550 on our way to Mexico at the moment, and I'm excited, man. I'm excited because this is something I definitely want to do to my Mustang, so getting a feel for it today is super exciting. Funny thing is, because this reminds me so much of my car, I'm like looking for the clutch pedal, but it's not there. So this is an automatic. It is the 6R80 transmission, and it does pretty good with the Roush supercharger. So I mean, the thing is definitely fast. So we're gonna get a few pulls in just to kind of get a feeler for the car, see how it is. Thing is pushing about 670 horsepower. Is that crank or wheel? Crank numbers. Okay. So it's definitely a quick car because these Mustangs are light, and the cool thing about it is it's a very safe, you know, conservative setup, you know, since it does have a warranty on it. So you really kind of get to enjoy the car and not worry about breaking stuff since you are covered under warranty. So this thing is equipped with the Corsa catback system, which sounds absolutely amazing, especially when you throw boost into the equation. Once this thing really kind of revs out there, it sounds phenomenal, and it has a lot of crackles and pops, and it really just, it's a whole like music soundtrack that you hear behind the car. And I got to experience this car from the outside and really get to hear it, and I fell in love. I thought that Corsas were super high pitched, but it's really such a beautiful kind of modern exotic sound to it. It's not old school muscle, so if you are looking for that, then Corsa Extreme is probably not your go-to. But if you are into kind of like a performance based, very aggressive rumble, it's a nice sound to have for sure. So this thing's got just about 16,000 miles. Have you had any issues with it?
So far
nothing. And you drive it hard.
You drive it pretty hard.
Yeah. You go to Mexico a lot?
Yeah.
So we're trying to find a good spot to kind of really open it up and get a feel for it.
Put like on sport.
Sport mode is a little better.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna shift it down to sport mode real quick. And this makes it a little more aggressive transmission wise. So you just punch it?
Yeah, try to get like a 40 and then just push it.
Okay, well we're gonna try a 40 little pull real quick. Yeah, I can feel it downshifting. Whoa! It looks like Tony wants a little bit of the gap sauce. I just don't want to embarrass him on camera, but all right, buddy. Here we go. Look at him downshifting. It sounds good. Sounds good. That was really like instant power, man. These blowers are so amazing.
Yeah, it's better when you actually like use the paddles and like have any control.
Yeah, I love how aggressive it is in sport mode. It's downshifting a lot.
Yeah, it downshifts a lot. It tries to get like in the best gear.
Like the rev range. holds the RPMs at the top too. There's a cop right there. Okay, so now I tapped it into
Just no shit.
You know, if I want to go back into like regular sport mode and put it back.
You can put it back to sport.
Oh my god, this is addictive. There's so much power in that
Usually, like,
power bed.
Since I know the car, I usually go all the way to red line and I shift it.
Yeah. Well, no, it's not my car, so I'm not gonna red line shift your car for you. But I'm just gonna probably do like a few more pulls and get a little bit more of a feel. But man, the power, it's very addictive. I'm surprised. Have you gotten a lot of trouble in this thing?
So far, no.
No? You've been pretty lucky then. Because this thing, it sounds amazing and it sounds like it's very mean. You would think it would cause a lot more trouble.
And it's really funny because like when I'm driving, I don't even notice no more than 30, like hitting 60 and all. And I'm like, wow.
Yeah, no, it rides really smooth. You really don't feel the speed.
It's like really comfortable.
Yeah. Yeah, the suspension is obviously stiff. You have the performance pack, so it's definitely a tight suspension, but it rides smooth when you're on like smooth road. So you said at nighttime, obviously when the air cools off, the blower is going to produce more power.
Yeah,
it sucks in a lot cooler air.
It does feel way
Yeah.
big difference.
And you're planning of putting E85 in this ever?
Pretty soon, yeah.
Pretty soon. Because I know with the blower, E85 is definitely your best friend.
Yeah, E85 does love boost. Or boost does love.
Yeah. Guys, I'm missing my Mustang so much right now, but as you guys know, it's in the shop. I can't wait to get it back, man. So this is how it's just a 6 feels, or felt at least.
Oh, yeah.
And he's making way more power now, imagine that. It is just crazy to me. Like this was not enough power for him, he went way up there.
Yeah.
Do you get a lot of crowd jokes from people?
Yeah, usually.
Yeah. Alright guys, so we got a tunnel going up. So you put it in sport mode. Oh my god, that sounds so good! Jeez. This car will get you arrested because I'm literally just tapping the gas and I'm just gonna fly up. Wow. Okay, looks like it's gonna open up now. I've never heard a Mustang pop that much. Maybe, yeah. Because the pops are like, it feels like you're spitting flames back there.
Yeah.
Does it shoot flames?
Since I'm like on stock cats, probably not. But like if I actually get hitters, it probably would.
Mm-hmm. Especially, imagine you're on 85 too.
Oh yeah. That would.
Or like race gas.
Yeah, that would be really nice. But I'll just cat back.
No, it's a very nice sounding catback, and the pops and crackles are a nice addition too.
First section is really nice.
Yeah. Is that what you recommend I get on mine?
The first section, yeah.
Yeah, over Borla?
I do like the sound better, honestly.
On the extreme.
On the extreme.
That just might have to be it. So we're gonna see how this thing does. As soon as I get a little bit of space here, I just want to do like a one nice pull, and then I'll go home and order my Whipple. All right, guys, here we go. We'll ride it up to 40 and punch it. I'll tell you one thing, your paddles are so much more different than our paddles. Yeah. Yeah, like the response time. Like I hit it and I thought it didn't switch, so I hit it again. So it went from third to fourth gear. Yeah. Because it wasn't as, like ours is just like snaps, like super quick. That scared me. I'm like, did I not shift it? Because I don't want it to hit red line, yeah. That's funny. So is that normal? Is that how it is? Like, there's a little bit of a lag?
I don't know the timing on my car.
Yeah, so you're used to it, yeah.
Yeah, no. There's some cars that are more responsive to shifting.
Yeah, no, that definitely scared me a little bit. I thought I didn't shift in time. But no, it's quick. Yeah, it's quick. It just kind of flies up and...
You want to do something else. So what you do to these cars is, you know how you had it on second?
Yeah.
When you gas it down, try to lift it up to drive. And it should shift it for you.
By itself?
Yeah,
okay.
Just shift it.
Okay. No, I let it do its own thing, bro. I don't trust these paddles because I'm not used to them. You're like, damn, he got good.
Yeah, I was like, whoa.
Oh my god. Yeah, this thing is so much fun. Boost is just like, makes you smile from ear to ear, non-stop. I don't know how it feels from your side. You're probably a little nervous now. You're like,
yeah, I'm a little nervous that you can control the car.
Oh my god. Said put it in sport and then go to drive, and that, what does that do? Is it the same thing?
You have it like on second, right?
Uh-huh.
How you did it?
Oh, when you
don't want to risk it on like
not shifting, yeah.
Yeah, you just right when you punch it down, you get the shift, and you just put it like, leave it up, like go up, and it shifts it for you, like without you using the paddles.
Gotcha. Okay.
You gotta like do it pretty quick, you know.
Like just so as soon as you punch it in second,
yeah,
push this up.
Lift it up like that.
Yeah.
But don't put on neutral.
No neutral. Yeah. Okay. Dude, this thing is fucking sick. This thing is sick. Alrighty guys, so that is pretty much it for the ride. Oh my goodness, I absolutely love the way this thing drives. Such a nice ride. And it's damn quick, man. It is damn quick. So check those demon eyes out. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you are interested in following along with this build, make sure you check out Randy50 on Instagram. This car is absolutely gorgeous and is damn quick. Corsa sounds amazing on it. Definitely sold me on the Corsa system today. I think that is going to be the move for my Mustang as soon as I get it back. And the boosted life, I'm coming for you. So thank you so much for checking out this video. If you're new, make sure you leave a like and subscribe. And I will see you next time. Rush Shift signing out. Peace.